Okay, so let's make a reverse martini or a back to front martini. So first thing we're going to need is glassware. So we've got a martini glass here, we've got some crushed ice in there so it is chilling. I'm going to put that to the side. Now we're going to get our mixing glass. So this is made in a mixing glass and a stirred cocktail. So we've got that. So now we want to add our alcohol. And for that we're going to be wanting to do the reverse of a regular dry martini, which is 75-15, and we're going to be going for a 75ml of dry vermouth, so 45ml there, and 30, there we go. So that is our dry vermouth. Now we're going to be wanting to add our dry gin. And for that we're going to be wanting to only add 15 milliliters of the dry gin, so we're going to be going there. So 15 ml of London dry gin. Now we're going to be wanting to add our ice. The ice added, now we're just going to stir. There we go, so that is stirred. Now we're going to just move this over. Now we're going to discard the ice. So we've got a nice chilled glass, and now we are going to double strain into our glass. There we go. So finally, to garnish, we are going to express a little bit of lemon on top, and then we're going to put that around the edge and down the rim, discard that, and finally to garnish we're just going to add a little bit of a nice twist, and there we have it. So there is your reverse or back to front martini.